welcome back to my channel. My name is BRcrochet, and in today's tutorial we're going to be learning how to make this cutout bikini. We're going to learn how to make this cutout bikini here. So I have this in red. You can make use of any color of your choice. This is a milk cotton yarn, so you can make use of any yarn of your choice, any color of your choice. So yeah, so today we'll be making use of red color, pair of scissors, and a 4.0 hook. So I'm going to be using a 4.0 hook, and that is all. You'll be needing your yarn, roughly 1 or 2 balls of yarn for this. It depends on the size you're working on. Your scissors and your hook, so 4.0 hook. So this is everything you'll be needing to make this bikini here. So please like, share, subscribe. Please turn on your notification bell so that each time I drop a new video you'll be notified and you'll be the first person to like or maybe comment, please. So yeah, let's get right into class. You're going to begin with a slip knot. You're going to start from the upper part, then work down. So you begin with a slip knot, then make a chain of 3. 1, 2, 3. Go back into the first chain to make a double crochet. So to make a double crochet, you yarn over, go into the last chain, which is here, and make a double crochet. So pull up, pull through 2, pull through 2. Now you have 2 double crochet. Chain 2, turn into the first stitch here. You're going to make 2 double crochet. Pull through 2, pull through 2. Your chain 2 does not count as a stitch, so you make extra 1. So you have 2 here. Into your chain 2 here, the top stitch here, you're going to make 2 double crochets too. So now you have a total of 4 double crochet, which is 1, 2, 3, 4. This chain 2 does not count as a stitch, so you chain 2 again, turn. So now every first stitch and last stitch is going to have 2 double crochet, but the middle stitches, they're going to have 1 double crochet each. So into the first stitch here, you're going to place 2 double crochet. This is 1. Place another double crochet. Don't forget your chain 2 does not count as a stitch. 2 here. Then the next one, you have 1 double crochet. 1 double crochet next. Then last stitch here, you place 2 double crochet. So the first stitch and the last stitch, they're going to have 2 double crochets. Chain 2, turn into the first stitch, 2 double crochet. Double crochet into the last stitch, into the next stitch, 1 double crochet, into the next stitch, 1 double crochet, onto the last stitch where you have 2 double crochets. Last stitch here is where you have 2 double crochet. So double crochets. Chain 2 again, turn into the first stitch, 2 double crochets. Into the next stitches onto the last stitch, 1 double crochet each. So into your middle stitches, 1 double crochet each. So the last stitch will carry 2 double crochet. So now you're going to continue this until you have 27 stitches in total. So now I have this chain 2 does not count as a stitch, so 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So I have 10 stitches for 5 rows. So this is the first row. So 1 2 3 4 5. Chain 2, turn into every stitch, into the first stitch, 2 double crochet, into every other stitches you're going to have 1 double crochet each onto the last stitch, which is going to have 2 double crochet. So I have my 2 panels here, the first panel and the second panel. So what I'm doing next is I'm going to make 1 single crochet round. I already have my single crochet for this part like this. So chain 1, turn into the stitch here. I'm going to have 1 single crochet. To make a single crochet, you're not going to yarn over, just go in directly. 1 single crochet, 1 single crochet, work 1 single crochet into every stitch without skipping a stitch. So 1 single crochet into every stitch without skipping a stitch. So into this stitch here, the last stitch here, I'm going to make a single crochet, then connect into this. So you're going to pick this, go into the last stitch here and connect this together with it, then continue to make your single crochet without making a chain. You're not making a chain. Once you have this, then continue to work back up with a single crochet. So into your loop, your tiny loop, tiny hole here, it will be 1 single crochet, then a single crochet into your double crochet, a single crochet into this tiny space here, a single crochet into your double crochet, a single crochet into the tiny hole, a single crochet into your double crochet. So you work this round until you are back to this point here. Once you get to the top stitch here, so into this part, you're going to have 1 single crochet, but make sure you have this behind. 1 single crochet, then work back down. I've reached this point, so all I'm going to do is just chain 2. I already have a chain of 1, chain 1 more, then cut. I'm going to split it again to tie. So now I can make a long chain. So I have my double yarn. So if you're using a 2-strand yarn, then you can double to 4. But if you're using a 5-ply yarn or 4-ply yarn, you can just add extra one to it. So I'm going to be doubling my yarn. Then make a very long chain. This is the rope you're going to tie around the waist, so you can make it very long. So make a very long chain. A very long chain. So I have my long chain here. Then attach to this part. So I'm going to attach it to this end now. Just make a slip stitch like this. Here you have 28 stitches. Here to this place is 28 stitches. So you will have to make a chain of like 26 stitches. 26 chain. So I'm going to make a chain of 26. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. You can see I have very thick because I don't want to like make another extra row like that. If you're using a thick yarn, but if you're not using a thick yarn, just measure it and see whatever you have. So this is a chain of 21 and it's the same as this. So I'm going to go into this part, into this stitch here, make a slip stitch, go into the next also, make a slip stitch, so this is it. Then chain 21 again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. So once I have this 21 also, I'm going to take measurements so it's equal. Now I'm going to make a slip stitch into the last end here. Then make your long chain just like you did for this part. So I have a long chain here, so I'm going to cut. So now this is it. So this is the underbust part. This is going to be. Now it's time to work on this strap. So you make a long chain for this. So go into the middle stitch here and attach. I'm also using a double yarn. If you're using a 2-strand yarn, you can double to 4. So make a long chain. Let me do that again. So go into this middle, and once you get to this middle, insert it, then continue to make your chain. make a long chain. You're going to tie this around the neck, so you make a long chain. So now our bikini is ready. So this is going to be tied around the neck area. Then this is going to be tied by the waist. So this is it. So this is a medium. This is for a medium size or small. It depends on how you want your bust area to be covered. But this can go for a small, medium, and maybe large. It depends. So yeah, thank you for watching till the end. This is all. So yeah, thank you for watching till the end. Please like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you in my next class. Bye.